in front of me is the OUKITEL K13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by accessing settings and choosing connected devices. From here, choose connection preferences and tap on Bluetooth. Then click on the switcher if it's not already on to activate it and select pair new device. Now wait for available ones to show, and when they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. In order to continue, select pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Then you need to go back and click on Previously Connected. So connected devices, previously connected devices, and as you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to disconnect from it, you need to click on this gear icon next to the device, tap on Forget, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!